When preparing for the IELTS, understanding the difference between basic and advanced vocabulary can significantly impact your score. Basic vocabulary includes everyday words like good, bad, or happy. While these words are useful, they often lack the precision needed for higher band scores. On the other hand, advanced vocabulary allows you to express ideas more clearly and effectively. For instance, instead of saying good, you might use beneficial or advantageous. This not only showcases your language proficiency, but also demonstrates your ability to convey nuanced meanings. In the writing and speaking sections, incorporating advanced vocabulary can elevate your responses. Words like detrimental instead of bad or elated instead of happy can make a significant difference. Here's a list comparing basic vocabulary to IELTS vocabulary. Food, basic, eat, food, hungry, IELTS, cuisine, nutritious, appetizing, culinary, gastronomy. Travel, basic, go, travel, trip, IELTS, excursion, itinerary, voyage, navigate, expedition. Education, basic, learn, school, teacher, IELTS, curriculum, pedagogy, academic, scholarly, enlightening. Environment, basic, nature, earth, pollution, IELTS, ecosystem, conservation, sustainability, ecological, biodiversity. Work, basic, job, work, office, IELTS, profession, vocation, occupation, colleagues, productivity. Health, basic, sick, doctor, hospital, IELTS, medication, treatment, diagnosis, well-being, pharmaceutical. Common IELTS vocabulary topics. 1. Environment and conservation. 2. Education and training. 3. Health and wellness. 4. Technology and innovation. 5. Business and economics. 6. Culture and society. 7. Science and research. 8. Travel and tourism. 9. Food and nutrition. 10. Current events. IELTS vocabulary word lists. 1. Verbs, analyze, evaluate, synthesize, recommend. 2. Adjectives, complex, nuanced, significant, relevant. 3. Nouns, phenomenon, concept, framework, perspective. 4. Adverbs, consequently, furthermore, additionally. 5. Idioms, in the long run, on the whole, to a great extent. Here are more IELTS vocabulary lists, organized by topic, technology and innovation. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI. 2. Cybersecurity. 3. Digitalization. 4. E-commerce. 5. Robotics. 6. Telecommunications. 7. Virtual reality, VR. 8. Blockchain. 9. Cloud computing. 10. Data analytics. Business and economics. 1. Entrepreneurship. 2. Globalization. 3. Inflation. 4. Investment. 5. Marketing. 6. Microeconomics. 7. Macroeconomics. 8. Fiscal policy. 9. Monetary policy. 10. Supply chain. Environment and conservation. 1. Biodiversity. 2. Climate change. 3. Conservation. 4. Deforestation. 5. Ecosystem. 6. Endangered species. 7. Greenhouse gases. 8. Pollution. 9. Renewable energy. 10. Sustainability. Education and training. 1. Academic. 2. Assessment. 3. Curriculum. 4. E-learning. 5. Pedagogy. 6. Professional development. 7. Scholarship. 8. Standardized testing. 9. Tutoring 10. Vocational training. Health and wellness 1. Diagnosis 2. Epidemiology 3. Healthcare 4. Holistic medicine 5. Medical research 6. Mental health 7. Nutrition 8. Pharmaceutical 9. Prevention 10. Therapy. Common IELTS vocabulary. Verbs 1. Analyze 2. Evaluate 3. Synthesize 4. Recommend 5. Compare. Adjectives 1. Complex 2. Nuance 3. Significant 4. Relevant 5. Comprehensive. Nouns 1. Phenomenon 2. Concept 3. Framework 4. Perspective 5. Criterion. Adverbs 1. Consequently 2. Furthermore 3. Additionally 4. Nevertheless 5. Notwithstanding. Here are more IELTS vocabulary lists, organized by topic, science, and research. 1. Hypothesis 2. Experiment 3. Data analysis 4. Conclusion 5. Peer review 6. Methodology 7. Variable 8. Control group 9. Sampling 10. Statistical significance. Culture and society 1. Diversity 2. Inclusion 3. Globalization 4. Tradition 5. Cultural identity 6. Social norms 7. Values 8. Ethics 9. Morality 10. Pluralism. Media and communication 1. Journalism 2. Broadcasting 3. Social media 4. Propaganda 5. Public relations 6. Advertising 7. Censorship 8. Freedom of speech 9. Media literacy 10. Information technology. Economy and finance 1. Inflation 2. Deflation 3. Interest rate 4. Investment 5. Stock market 6. GDP 7. Fiscal policy 8. Monetary policy 9. Trade deficit 10. Economic growth. Government and politics 1. Democracy 2. Authoritarianism 3. Federalism 4. Constitution 5. Legislation 6. Policy making 7. Diplomacy 8. International relations 9. Human rights 10. Governance. Practice is key. Read widely, listen to varied sources, and keep a vocabulary journal. Challenge yourself to use new words in context. Remember, it's not just about knowing advanced words, it's about using them effectively. This approach will not only enhance your IELTS performance, but also enrich your overall English communication skills. Stay tuned with Anthony Sir. Hit subscribe, like, comment, and share with others. You can contact Anthony Sir directly on +919 850 165695.